few words to the attendees of this event, sir.
Thank you, Sanju. Deputy Director, Technical Education, Punjab, nodal officers, faculty members, principals of various institutions from Punjab. First of all, warm welcome. Now, this meeting has been organized to give the insight of the two schemes, Pragrati and Saksham, being implemented with changed format this year. तो मैं डिप्टी डायरेक्टर साहब आपको बताना चाहूंगा कि ये स्कीम हमारी पुरानी स्कीम है, लेकिन फॉर्मेट इसका इस बार हमने चेंज किया है. पहले ये स्कीम हम ऑल इंडिया लेवल पे इम्प्लीमेंट करते थे और उसमें जो मेरिट बनती थी वो ऑल इंडिया लेवल पे बनती थी, जिसमें वेरियस स्टेट्स की जो स्टेट बोर्ड की जो मार्क्स थे उनके मार्क्स को कंसीडर करके एक जनरल मेरिट बनाते थे, जिससे हम फिर स्कॉलरशिप देते थे. And the issue was that in some states there was a question that these states they are awarding more marks, so their students they are getting most of the students of these states they are getting a scholarship, and because there was no normalization, then what we did, we decided the quota of each state in that fellowship. Now that has been decided on the basis of the students registered in technical education in that particular state. We are having 10,000 fellowships, so accordingly we decided the quota. And in that quota, this state of Punjab got 335 seats around, if I'm not wrong, including UG and diploma seats. Now the issue is that because previously hardly one or two students from the Punjab they were getting this scholarship. Now 335 students from the state of Punjab, they are going to get this fellowship if provided they apply and they qualify. Conditions are there. I think they might have discussed by Sanju Chaudhary with you. And this is the simplest scheme of all the schemes of the government of India. Here we are providing 50,000 rupees per annum to the students and not asking any document, not asking any utilization certificate. Only the student has got freedom that he can utilize this money either for paying the fees, for purchasing a laptop, purchasing a book. In whatsoever way she wants to utilize that money, she can utilize that money. This is the freedom, and the amount in no other fellowship or scholarship scheme students are getting this much amount and with so much ease. And this has been done just to promote technical education among the girls, and that too from the economically those who cannot afford the technical education. This is a scheme has been designed for such girls students. And by appeal through this webinar to you, Deputy Director Saab, your team, that please popularize. We know the problem of the state of Punjab. Some disturbances are going on, maybe due to that, because we know that Punjab is a progressive state and we could have received required number of nomination from your state, but we understand your difficulties also. But despite these difficulties, we request you, please ask your team to be more proactive. You can call the students, those who are eligible for this scheme. They can apply. Application procedure is very, very simple, and there is no documentation is required. It can be done through online only, and verification is required at various stages at the college level as well as at the directorate level or the university level. So all are involved. Previously in the scheme, states were not involved, colleges were not involved. AICT was dispersing this fellowship directly to the students. Now we have involved each and everyone. You can also you will also be knowing that how many students of your state they are getting this scholarship, this prestigious scholarship. So my appeal to you, your team, is that please popularize. And if another aspect of is that if state of Punjab is not able to exhaust all these fellowship this year, so we may reduce the number of fellowship next year also, because we are getting, say in one state there are only 500 seats and we have received 6,000 applications from that state. So we will give the benefit of that unfilled seat to the states where the number of applications are more. So that will be a very, very disadvantageous situation for the progressive state like Punjab. So I hope that situation will not arise and the state of Punjab will be able to percolate this message among the eligible girls students of diploma and degree so that they can apply and they can take the advantage of these scholarship, prestigious scholarship. So with all these words, my thanks to State of Punjab, Directorate of Technical Education Punjab for coming forward and taking this appeal and request of AICT and connecting lot of principals from the various engineering colleges of the state and to percolate this message of Pragati and Saksham scholarship among the students, those who are eligible for that. With all these words, once again, I thank our AICT team who is proactive. One more thing, this AICT team who is dealing with this fellowship, whether it is Sanju Chaudhary or our director Saab, they are more than proactive. They are calling to the states, they are sharing their personal mobile numbers with you. Only thing is we need this type of gesture from your side also. They will be available to reply your queries round the clock, and they want that this scheme must reach to the needy students of the state of Punjab. With all these words, my good wishes to all of you. Namaskar, Jai Bharat.